My name is Yulia. I'm a graphic design specialist. I give Figma 5 reviews, and for more reviews like that, please click below. As a graphic designer, I use Figma to create graphic design. I create web design and user experience for different businesses. What I like best about Figma is that I can work collaboratively with other team members. It's all cloud-based. We can work on any device we want. It can be a mobile phone, it can be a MacBook, it can be Windows. We can work with everybody in real time, and it's all cloud-based, so we don't have to store any files on our computers. So that's what I really like about Figma. It's that makes it stand out from the competitors. So one thing that I want to change about Figma is that the prototyping is still not perfect. You can create prototypes, but the problem is that users cannot completely interact with them. So they cannot, for example, fill the forms in the prototypes.